I am on site, friends. This is Yancy. Check it out. Now, oops, my shirt's coming undone. But I wore my skull pants and a nautical themed shirt just to keep it on the downsy lowsies. Okay, we're gonna just kind of walk right on over trail. Kind of this little burn area here now. Look, it's a hobgoblin living down there. A bunch of trash and what's up. Look. You see it? I mean, that's a fucking. Oh. And that is a pirate ship. It's hard to see it in the dusk, but. Captain Ahab, this is Yancy. Are you there? Do you want to talk about it? I'm ready to talk about it. See if we can get it this way and whatnot. Look. There's a good shot of the mast. Wow. We could come back with ladders, but it would have to be stealth. I came down here that one night, and the policeman came rolling up on me because I had crazy lights tied up to my body and such. So, oh man, I think it's the best view we're gonna get right here. Whoa. Whoa. I'm dongled up. I'm supposed to ping Ryan. Captain Ahab, talk to me. It's Yancy. Are you there? Give me a sign. Blackbeard. Blackbeard. Talk to me now. I know. I'm kind of getting spooked out. I mean, that's a pirate ship. And it's huge. It's like 28 feet in somebody's backyard. Okay, it's obviously a ghost ship. Now, ironically enough, we got this new construction right here. It's a long drive for us out here. We gotta keep out now. Look at this. This is some kind of hot. Look at all this weird trash. How nobody scrap metal in that? Look at that. I mean, it's a very large structure for some kind of woodland paranormal creature. I'm certain of it. And okay, something's up in the top. Something's up in the top up there. Okay, I'm freaking out. I shouldn't have come alone. Let's get one more look. I can't see the pirate ship. Someone's in there. Okay, I am freaking out, dude. I'm out. I don't want to talk about it. I'm out. Let's go. Whoa. Put on that shirt.